Right then guys, we're talking about this today. Actually we're not. What we're talking about is that RS7, interesting RS7. It's all about, hold on, let me check your, it's hard guys, anybody want a job? Video, come on, video producer. I've been asking for 3 months now, nobody wants a job. What's wrong with you keyboard guys? And anyway, let's talk about this car. So, be with you in a few minutes guys. So you can see that man's holding this around because we're going to take all the footage, and it's called a pod, I think. I know who's laughing at that right now. Okay, 2.9 turbo V6, if I got it right, twin turbo RS5. Nice cars, aren't they? I think the RS range is one of the range that I'd probably consider. Don't laugh, all my fans out there, because you know the amount of abuse I give Vags. Is one of the cars, one of the additions I would probably consider for a daily car. Right, okay, so guys, let's go back to the car. So what we're doing with this platform is, we're just going to start stripping it down. It's got obviously the twin turbo setup. We're building a pair of downpipes for it. Now, we know there's a lot online. We've been like sort of observing that. When they first come out, a lot of people did do a lot of products for them. We've come into the equation. Generally, just what happens with ourselves is a lot of people start coming to them when they start coming out of warranty to have that extra custom, because there's a lot of impatience with people in the world where as soon as a car comes out, they want the parts for it straight away, and we don't have one fast enough to develop anything on, and we only use our own parts. So in this case, yeah, we're going for a 3.3 inch or a 3.5 inch, and we're not sure yet. As soon as you start stripping it down, a set of decat downpipes and one of our RS middle sections with secondary silencer delete, and also the, what I call is the kidney box delete. It's gonna sound epic. So most of our videos that you've already seen on the RS5 2.9s, you know that they are pretty awesome and loud. They are 2.9s, aren't they? Right, okay, RS4, RS5 is 2.9, and the RS6 and the RS7 is a 4 litre anyway. Yeah. He's not, you know, the M brothers, innit? The M brothers, we don't do Audis and Vags. Anyway, right guys, so check out the video. It's gonna be awesome video. I love this colours. Gosh, that colour's really nice, isn't it? Green. But anyway, check out the video throughout. We gave you what it sounds like with everything on there, and you'll have a sound off on it when it's complete. So I'm gonna set this up so you guys can watch how we strip it down, right? And I'll see you towards middle of the video or towards the end. Right then guys, we're back. Okay, now as you can see on this side, you've got the OE setup. It's got the performance catalytic converters, or let's say the catalytic converters, they're here. So you have the primary cat setup, and then if you look further down here, you've got what people generally would have called the secondary cats, but they're not, they're actually resonator boxes. So what we've been having recently, ever since the platform was released, the cars, the RS4 and the RS5 were released, a lot of people were coming in and having our X-pipe setups, and they were having these boxes taken out, focused down to this roof. So they were taking out, so what we were doing is cutting these silencers out, flanging them, making a center section with resonators. But now, like I said, they've coming out of warranty, and a lot of people are inquiring about the the primary cat delete, the Decats. We are going to be releasing a Sports Cat version 4, the setup, but not as just yet because it took some time for this development so far anyway. So this is your stock setup, as you can see, and this is our the primary and the secondary resonator delete setup. So you got two choices. You could either buy our Decats, as you could see here. So just a quick insight in the design. They come from 5" down to 4.5", and then release down all the way down to 3.5" and down into 3". Now, originally we were going to go for the method of design with 3.5" all the way through, but because a lot of clients are calling us and saying, right then Madge, may we have, it's going to be like something that we could put back together, we sort of stuck with an OE setup. So this is an OE replacement setup. So this primary, the Decats, the pair of them will fit. You could take yours off, your primary cats, and install these. And same with the secondary pipes here. The secondary silencer delete, which is a full setup, is also in 3", which is a similar bore to, no, actually, it's a slightly bigger bore than the stock bore size. That also fits into your stock exhaust systems and gives you the advantages of your stock exhaust with valve controls, which is primarily where we want to be with them because they sound awesome. Anyway, and I'll find out what it sounds like in a minute. So, going back to it, so we send the primary cats, deletes, and also the secondary pipes to remove the silencers, which you can see there on the OE setup. So these are ready to kind of go, are in production right now by ourselves, and will be ready for you guys to purchase, to have installed here or installed anywhere in the country or in the world that you are. So they are ready to go. But look how beautiful they look here. Oh my God. I mean, that's beautiful, isn't it, really? Right, we are going to launch our fully polished setup or a brushed setup. I'm not sure. I'm sending a set off to the polishers. We've tried to polish them ourselves for now, but we just physically haven't got the time. So, some people do like this welded look, rough and rugged. They don't like that. I like that. The guys here like that, but then you have a lot of clients asking for a polished look. So yeah, we probably have both. We're not sure. So, but in the setup, you probably haven't polished, or you probably not. We're not sure yet. But most importantly, let's get on with it, man. Shut up and let's get straight to the point. What does it sound like? Now, who's got the key? Inside the car. So, do you want to be in the back of the car? Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. Keys inside the car. I'm gonna leave the mic on the back, innit? I think that would be a good idea, to leave the mic on the back. Yeah. What do you reckon? Let's go for it. Or you can unplug it if you want. What do you think? A suicide. Oh my God. Oh my God. That actually, to me, is a perfect mod. The perfect sound for that platform. I think it sounds great. I think it sounds amazing. What do you think? Do you like it? Yeah. All right, sorry guys, just to let you know that we're more Beamer guys, but it does sound epic. It sounds beautiful. It sounds really, really nice. Really, really nice. So there you are, guys. We gave you the video. We're ready. You're ready to purchase. We're ready for that. I think that sounds great. Leave us your comments in the videos. We're trying to give you as much content on our new stuff our new products that we're launching or we're in the process of making. You obviously in this video you'll see the process of making the primary cat delete, decat as you call them, and the secondary silencer delete with the pipes. So yeah guys, give us your thoughts. We're gonna go out now with RTMG with Chris, do a bit of data logging on the car. The gentleman wants it tuned, so you'll probably see this car again because he does want us kind of enhance it and probably even go up to stage 2 and 3. I can't tell you what he exactly wants us just yet. But guys, keep on watching the videos. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share and subscribe. We'll give you loads of content like this all the time. And yeah, Maj, DKU, over and out.